How you doing, everybody? Scott Jelinek here with the Master Investor Academy, where we cover the 5 pillars of real estate investing. That's marketing, wholesale, rehab, rentals, and raising private money. And today is going to be a very special video. And the reason is this is going to be the first time I'm going to get to show you or interview a buyer of one of my slow flips and talk about it from the buyer's perspective. So let me tell you about this house first. The house we're heading to right now is a house that I purchased off of a local real estate group that was getting passed around forever. The guy put out the house very inexpensively. I believe he put it out at $19,000, and everybody else in that group was sending him, they're just nasty group of people. They're like, oh man, you're never gonna get that sold, and why don't you get a good deal? And they're making fun of the guy. So I ended up calling him, and I ended up buying the property for $17,000. And it was in rough shape. So the house, granted, it was in rough shape. It's in a good neighborhood that I like. And so I ended up purchasing it. Well, the same day I purchased it, I put a buyer in there. And this buyer who we're going to meet right now, this is going to be his 3rd or 4th house he's bought from me. He owns a construction company, and so he brings his own crews to come in and do the work. And then I believe, and I'm not 100%, that he also rents it to his people. So he's got a great thing going. He's real happy with it. Well, he sent me a picture the other day. I was actually in, when I was in Alabama and at the Auburn game, and he sent me a picture of what the exterior looked like, and it's beautiful. It looks like a brand new house. And so I asked him, I said, is it occupied yet? And he said, no. And I said, would you mind if I came by to take a look at the inside? So that is where I am on to right now. I'm on my way to meet him to take a look at the inside of the property. While I am there, I'm going to do a video of the inside of the property, as well as, if he does not mind, to try and interview him or ask him some questions so that you guys can get a perspective of a slow flip from the buyer side, because everybody knows how it is from my side or from your side as the investor, but I also want you to know how it feels and how it seems to the buyer from the buyer's perspective. So that's all I have for you right now. We're going to get there. We're going to film the inside of the house and interview him, and then I'm going to connect these 2 videos together. Talk to you in a minute. This is the exterior of the house. You can see pretty much everything's brand new. Paint, windows, roof, and you didn't see it before, but there was fallen trees everywhere, and everything looks brand new. Let me take you inside. All right, guys, so now we are inside of the house. This is Sergio, who bought the house and did all the work. Say hello, Sergio.
Hello.
So, I didn't, unfortunately, he got it the very day we got it, so I didn't get to do a video of the inside before, but I can tell you everything was completely trashed. You did absolutely everything, correct?
Yes.
Everything. Is there anything you kept? Everything. Windows, floor, cabinets, obviously countertop, appliances. Tell him, take a quick tour of the house. Do you have anything to tell him about it? Tell him something. How long did it take you to do the work? You've been working on it for a little bit.
I don't know, maybe 1 month.
1 month?
Yeah.
And what's your plan with it?
And,
to rent it? Because I know you have 3. This is your 3rd or 4th.
Maybe it's the rent of my guy. I'm not sure now.
Rent it to you guys?
Guy working for me.
Fantastic.
Yes.
All right, so let's do a quick tour of the property. As you can see, it's like a brand new house. You've literally done everything. This is, it's just beautiful. So, there's closets there. Everything is brand new. Man, I'm impressed.
Yeah. You look this.
Whoa! Wow. You are, wow, that's impressive. All right, let's see upstairs. If I remember correctly, there was a half bath upstairs, right? Oh yeah, this was a wall.
Yeah, this one here, a little touch up. Wow. One closet here. This is one closet here.
Wow.
This is a
Wow.
This is one surprise also for you.
Ha.
Remember right here, Papa. Full bathroom now.
Yeah. Wow, this is crazy. Command center.
This is a closet here, Sam.
All right, so what I wanted to show you guys was basically from Sergio's perspective, a slow flip. Because you guys always hear from my perspective, but this is how many do you have now? 4, 3, 4, 5?
4.
4. So he has 4 of them right now. And so from your perspective, is this something that you like, something that you're looking to do more of? I'm sorry. I know, okay. So, but you're happy, you're happy.
Yes.
That's what we're looking for, is happy, okay. All right, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. I wanted to share with you the slow flip from the buyer's perspective so that you can see and all the great work that he's done to this property. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.